Alright, we got Tizzy Stackz, bro. We got Rainstorm. Her, like, at this point, it was like 3 songs I heard from Tizzy Stackz. I heard Big Body with him and Lil Barrett. And Water with him and Lil Barrett. And another one, if I'm not mistaken. So far, Tizzy Stackz, I like him. This is a song, the first song I'm listening to with him by himself. I said that he sounds like Jay Guapo from New York. And I think that's a good comparison, bro. So let's get this shit, bro. Came out 2 years ago, so 700,000.
Bro, see more life, more money. See what I'm saying? Mr. Stackz in the building.
Broski. Broski. Toronto niggas always saying that. Broski. See those world?
Until the pain gone, spin till they all gone. Days in a rainstorm. Yeah, they took my bro from me, so I'ma drench them niggas. Bitch, I'm glicked up, watch who you Tesla, nigga. I swear my bro like my backbone. I spin till they all gone. Spend days in a rainstorm. I spin till the pain gone. Yeah, they took my bro from me, so I'ma drench them niggas. Bitch, I'm glicked up, watch who you Tesla, nigga. I swear my bro like my backbone. I spin till they all gone. Spend days in a rainstorm. I spin till the pain gone. I'ma die through the rainstorm. I ain't playing with them niggas. Pack touchdown, that's gang, little nigga. I be in my Berg, in my back, little nigga. Try run upon me, get packed, little nigga. I can't believe it, my nigga, he gone. I can't believe it, I'm singing this song. Missing my nigga for you, I'm a ball. Fuck all the off screen, I hit them, they fall. It's the life that we chosen like gangsters. Stand on gang, no, I feel like gangsters. Green like gang, get that red like we Banksy. Window down, hit them up, then we lane switch. And I know they gon' regret what they did to me. When the pressure come down, they gon' bend this shit. No, we started this smoke, we gon' finish it. Fuck all the off screen, down my bro for me.
Alright, so far, this song is alright. This song is alright, bro. Nothing too crazy. It's a calm song. It's a calm song. Nothing too crazy.
Gon' bend this shit. No, we started this smoke, we gon' finish it. Fuck all the off screen, down my bro for me, so I'ma drench them niggas. Bitch, I'm picked up. Watch who you Tesla, nigga. I swear my bro like my backbone. I spin till they all gone. Spend days in the rainstorm. I spin till the pain gone. Yeah, they took my bro from me, so I'ma drench them niggas. Bitch,
I'm questioning myself. Do I like this hook or not? Like, it's a nice hook, but I don't know. It's something about it. He's not all the way on flow with the hook to make me be like, yeah, this shit is fire. But it's good enough to where it's like, all right, it's nice. It's missing something, bro.
I'm clicked up, watch who you Tesla, nigga. I swear my bro like my backbone. I spin till they all gone. Spend days in a rainstorm. I spin till the pain gone.
Alright, this song, I got mixed feelings about this song, bro. Like I said, like, he's on beat sometimes he barely catches the beat. And it's like, it would be nicer if he was all the way on beat. But I guess that's normal sometimes. But honestly, I don't know. Something about the song. What y'all think, bro? I'm giving this like it could get a 7 or it could get an 8. There's like no in between, bro. No 7.5. It's either 7 or 8. No in between, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Maybe I gotta hear another song from bro. I don't think that's what it is. Is this his best song? Is this his best song, bro? Drift and Slide, you're gonna fuck with it. Drift and Slide. Alright, I'll do Drift and Slide next. I'm not gonna rate this song. I'm gonna rate Drift and Slide and we gonna go from there, bro. Yeah, our roster's full right now. So contracts, I can't even talk contracts right now. You gotta make it out the D League first, bro. Then you hang with the big dogs. But without further ado, I got y'all next video.